What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Hyundai Kona flip key remote fob. This Hyundai Kona key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this battery is a small flathead screwdriver and a small Phillips head screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our screwdriver and go ahead and flip our key blade out. Now if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at that space that key just flipped out of, if we grab our flathead screwdriver, you're going to see on this back cover right here, there's a little notch. You can see it right there with the tip of my screwdriver's in. And this one's a little harder to see, but there's another one just like it right here. So what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and I'm going to put it in that notch like this, and then I'm going to pry up on this back cover. And don't worry about trying to pry it all the way off. We're just going to kind of get it started on that side. And then I'm going to come over here and same thing, pry up. And then once you have both of those sides started, you can kind of work your way around. And then once it's pried up enough, you can just pull it the rest of the way off with your hands like that. Once we get that cover off, there's one more cover covering the battery right here, and this one's held on by some Phillips head screws. I've already got these a little loosened up to save time, but go ahead and take those screws out. Once you get those two screws out, then this cover will pop up like that. And now we see our battery right here. Now I'll grab my flathead screwdriver and just kind of get on the edge of the battery. Pop it out of that little holder. Then we'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing our new battery with the plus side up. So go ahead and you kind of need to start this edge in first, down towards the key ring on the bottom. So kind of tuck that edge in like that, and then it'll snap down into that holder. Then we need to grab this cover, and with this, you're gonna you kind of tuck this bottom tab in first, like this, and then that'll push down. Go ahead and put our screws back in. And then finally, we'll snap this back cover on. Make sure that's all the way snapped on. Put our key blade down, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.